Pop Girls. Today we're gonna be making party poppers, DIY party poppers. Anyway, let's welcome Shane back to the channel because she hasn't been here in a long time. The reason why we're making party poppers is because Shane's finally back on the channel, and it's exciting. So yeah, if here's a tip about your party poppers: the more shorter it is, the more you cut it, the more higher it is, and the longer it is, the lower the sound is. Like look, she has a smaller one, and I cut my big one because I want to. So that's hers, and then mine's smaller, so it's gonna make a high pitched sound. Ready? Mine goes. So anyway, all you need is a straw and scissors, and it's really easy. It only takes like pretty much 2 steps. So, basically, what you're gonna do is flatten out the ends first. Okay, flatten it out with my teeth. And then you just cut the edges off right here. Take scissors and you just cut the edges off like that. And then you do that on both sides. And then after you do that, you just put it on your lips and blow. Wait, I didn't cut it good enough. Okay, right? Let me recut mine because mine's not good. Ow, mine's pointy. Okay, it has to be like, it can't be like. So now this is mine that I made. All basically you do is cut off the edge, and then the hard part is to put your lips on it and blow. Like, it has to be like this shape. It can't be like flat. And basically that's our DIY party poppers. Not exactly the best. But this one's better. They're pretty cool. I hope you liked our video today. We'll make a new YouTube video shortly, and surely the next one will be with Shane in it, of course, because she's back on the channel finally. We want to do more with her. So give a like on this video, comment down below of what do you think we should do next video, and subscribe.